What are you doing, Max? You can't open those right now. It's only the 17th. Can you put that back? Can you put that back under the tree? Yep. Can you go put that back? No. No, that's a big one. You better put it back under the tree. Yep, put it back under the tree. Good job. Way to go, Max. Yay! Thanks for putting your present back.